Nandito na ako ngayon sa Korea and I'm still kind of stressed kasi hindi ko magana yung eSIM na pinurchase ko sa Discover Seoul Pass. Tapos hindi ko siya ma-figure out kung paano. So, in-email ko yung hotline, like help desk nila. Okay, so habang inintay ko yung reply nila kung activated na yung eSIM ko, feeling ko mag-makeup muna ako kasi medyo nakaka-pressure yung itsura ng mga tao dito, ang kikinis nila. Show you a quick fit check. By the way, ang ganda ng luggage ko. Sobrang gaan niya. See? So gaan mo. Wala lang. Guys, I'm so happy kasi na-activate na yung SIM ko. Tinulungan ako nung girl dito. Yan. Tinulungan niya ako. She's so nice. So now, I just have to figure out kung paano ako pupunta sa hotel. Ayan. Sabi sa Naver map, I have to get on Airport Railroad. I'm trying to find the Airport Railroad. So, fino-follow ko lang yung instructions. Ang peaceful ng airport nila, in fairness. Yung exchange rate dun sa loob kesa dito sa labas. Ay, wait. Dito pala. Left. Yan. Perfect. Airport Railroad. Okay. Off ko na. There we go. Oh my gosh, we're here. Okay. I think ito yung trend. Yung RX. Oh my gosh, I'm such a tourist. Charge lang ako, guys.
Charging is complete.
If you watched my KVAC tutorial video, binigyan nila ako ng free T-Money card. So that's what I used for the RX. And now, oh, wait lang. Oh my gosh, merong trend na diretso sa Hongik University, which is where I'm going. So, does that mean I don't have to go to Seoul Station? Oh my God, feeling ko pa din akong mag-direct sa Hongdae. Wait lang nga. All-stop train to Seoul Station. Meaning, yung RX pala is not P2P. Dumadaan siya sa lahat ng mga stops. Ayan, no? So, if I'm going to platform 2, pwede akong bumaba directly dun sa Hongik University. So, pila lang ako dito. Sa Hongdae na ako and I'm walking to the hotel. Parang wall of graffiti. Nice. So, ayan. There we go. Okay. Do you want to check in? Apparently, this guest house is like a self-check-in thing. So I had to call them so they could give me the code to the gate. And, eto na. So I have to tap it. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's try it. Amazing. Let's try to sleep first and then later na tayo mag-explore ng Hongdae. So, ayan na nga. 7:45 na and ngayon pa lang ako aalis. Kasi napasarap yung tulog ko. But I already changed and I'm ready to go outside. Mag-explore tayo nightlife in Hongdae. Paglalakad lang ako kasi sabi dito sa Naver Maps, it's only 800 meters away, which I can do. I can walk that. So, let's go. Let's walk to Gentle Monster and hopefully meron akong makitang Korean barbecue because I'm so hungry. Gabi yung 8 PM na, ganito pa rin kaliwanag. I think ito yung university, if I'm not mistaken. Feel ko ito yun. Okay. Yan ang sabi ko, what is that? Oh, may nagpo-perform! I wanna watch! Pero nagugutom. Sige, tatawid na lang din ako. May nagpo-perform. Oh, airplane flying. Hindi kita. So, never mind. Kahit na lang ako. Nakahanap ako ng quiet place. So, this feels like BGC na quiet. Yun doon kasi medyo maingay. So, pumunta muna ako dito sa medyo quiet place. Kasi naghahanap ako ng makakainan. Tapos yung mga Korean barbecue places na nakita ko, parang they only accept dapat 2 people. Or kung mag-isa ka lang, dapat marami kang ko-orderin. And like, hindi naman ako malakas kumain. So, naghahanap ako ng makakainan ko na Korean barbecue that would accept like me, na onti lang yung kakainin ko. Ang hirap. Sige, hanap ako. If wala, then magbibibimbap na lang ako or something. Guys, I'm so happy. Nakahanap ako ng cozy restaurants. It's super near Gentle Monster. Tapos, I can order in English. Kasi meron sila nitong ordering thing. I can do like English. Korean beef, small. Okay. I'm so excited. First meal here in Seoul. Of course, I had to buy Coke. Cheers! I'm so happy. Guys, epic fail. Nakakatawa kasi hindi pala to kay BBQ. Ang sobrang sabaw ko. Hindi ko na-realize na wala pala siyang lutuan. So then, nung sinerve sa akin yung beef, it looks like this. Ayan o, diba? Wow, ganda, diba? So I'm wondering, how do I cook this? And then I realized, sashimi pala yun. So I'm supposed to eat it raw. Sobrang fail. Anyway, this is the first time that I'm gonna eat raw steak, like raw sashimi. Ano ba da? Raw beef. Korean beef. So, ginugoogle ko pa how to eat it. Para di ako mga stupid. Pero funny lang. Funny. Pag sumama yung chan ko, bahala na. Pero binili ko na kasi to, so kakainin ko na lang. Ayan. So, apparently, I'm supposed to get... It's so raw. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng egg. Kaya naku, kinakabahan ako. Ano ba itong mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko? And the egg is also raw. So, why am I doing this? Sorry. Oh my God, do I really eat this? Wait lang, masarap guys. Masarap. Wait, I'm gonna ask if I can... Kasi nakita ko yung iba, merong grill. So maybe I can request for a grill. I don't know, did I just eat raw food? I'm gonna try to observe what the other people are doing. Nakatingin si Kuya, so kunwari nag-vlog lang tayo ng food review. I feel so weird eating it, pero masarap siya. I was expecting grilled, pero bala na. Masarap naman siya. You know what is actually good? Kasi bakit yung chan ko, bibili na lang ako ng gamot. Pero, this is good. You know? Kailan niya. Wait lang, tap. Nakakatawa, pero in fairness, masarap naman siya. So, at least, diba? At least naka-experience ako first time na eating raw beef for my first meal here in Korea. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my food now. Bye! lalaki dito. Tapos ang ayos ng itsura nila. Like, makinis. And feeling ko nasa K-drama ako. Kasi gano'n yung feeling ko ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain. Feeling ko nasa K-drama ako. Like, when I'm looking around. Nasa K-drama set ako. Hindi ko ma-explain. Ang saya. Ang saya ng feeling. Yan yung name ng place. This is what it looks like. And it's right across this place na nakalagay Wine O'Clock sa taas. Okay, so we're gonna go now to... Sana bukas pa yung Gentle Monster. Grabe yung energy dito. Also, ang lamig. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalamig. Parang yung clothes ko puro pang summer. Well, kanina okay naman siya, pero ngayon na dumilim. Biglang lumamig. Oh, okay, sige, let's go inside. I hope they don't. How do I go inside? Nabobobo ako. Okay. You open it. It's so nice, oh. Ano? Cool. Ay, ang ganda. Bubudol ako. Oh my gosh. Ay, wait. Malaki siya. It's big. Oh, hello. Iba yung vibe niya eh. Hindi siya yung parang poblasyon. It's like, hindi ko ma-explain. Parang Ximenting. But it feels quieter. See, ang ganda talaga niya. Yun yung may maraming tao. Puntahan natin. And look how nice all the colors are. So, dito pala sa side na to yung maraming kainan. Ayan o, ang dami puro chicken. Ayan o, chicken. Yung pinuntahan ko yata kanina na part, yun yung puro inuman kasi puro bars. But this part, puro food. And then, nakakita na ako ng mga convenience stores, cafes. Actually, maluwag yung part na to. I don't know what this is called. Pero malapit lang din siya doon sa Gentle Monster kanina. Yan o, basta naglalakad lang kasi ako. Pinafollow ko lang yung mga tao. Yan o, dami o, chicken and beer. At pala dito na lang ako kumain. Pero okay lang, na-enjoy ko naman yung Robbie for the experience. Ang ganda tignan. Grabe ang saya. Kaya lang, wait lang, may mga dumadaan sa sakyan. Ano kayang meron dito? Parang gusto ko mag-dessert. Hanap tayo ng dessert. One thing to note pala dito is I don't know where to go to the bathroom. Kanina pa ako naiihi, pero wala akong nakikitang restroom. Naglalakad ako pa uwi. And nakahanap ako ng dessert cafe. And it literally says dessert cafe. 안녕하세요.
지금 가시는 건가요?
I don't speak Korean,
For
sorry.
here or to go?
For here. Until what time are you open? Until what time are you open?
Are you?
What time?
Close time?
Yeah?
Close time 11 o'clock.
11. Okay, I can still stay. Masaya na ako kasi nakapag-CR ako. Okay, so it's currently 10:35 p.m. and I feel like I wanna call it a day. Kasi wala na akong masyadong ibang gustong gawin. I think natuwa naman ako for this day. I just had dinner and then itong coffee. Pero parang, alam mo yung medyo ayoko pang umuwi sa hotel. So, baka umupo-upo lang ako sa bench, ganyan, people watching, and then malapit na rin kasi ako sa hotel. It's just walking distance away. And yun lang, I just wanna be grateful na nandito ako. And I got here safely. And magaling na ako. Kanina kasi talaga medyo may sakit pa ako eh. Pero ngayon, I feel better. I feel energized. I'm just gonna take the rest of the night to plan what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Ano ba yung plans ko tomorrow? Yeah, feeling ko, bukas ko na pupuntahan yung mga animal cafes. And then, I'm gonna go to the other cafes in Iksondong. Sa yung dun sa area na yun. And yung Changyongdong Stream. Basta yun, K-drama feels. Anyway, yun lang. Ito na talaga yung outro ko for real. And see you tomorrow. Bye!